We are going to see about how to upload file uploads in Express.js. Handling file upload in an Express.js application involves receiving file from clients, processing them, and saving them to the server or a cloud storage service. Now I'm going to show you how to implement file uploads in an Express.js application using multer middleware. Further, first you want to install multer. Just npm I multer, and then we want to require all the necessary things. Const express equal to require const const path equal to require path, and then I want to add const app equal to express, and then I want to set up multer for file uploads. For that, const storage equal to multer dot disk storage, and then destination function request comma response comma next comma cb, and then cb uploads comma file name function request response comma cb of null comma file dot field name plus date dot now plus path dot exact name file dot original name. Next, const upload equal to multer storage next, serve static files. For that, app dot use express dot static public. Next, I want to create a route to serve the form for upload files. App dot get request comma response rest dot send file directory name and the file index dot html. Next, the route to handle file upload. App dot post slash upload comma upload dot single file comma request comma response rest dot send file upload successfully. And to start the server, const port equal to 3000 app.listen port server is running on http localhost and the port. So this next I'm going to create a file index.html. This is the basic boiler point. File upload, inside that h2 upload, and then I'm going to create an input of text. Type is file. Before that I want to create a form. Action is upload and the method should be post, and end type is multi-part form data. After that I want to create a input of type file and name file, and then id also file. After that I want to create a button of upload and type is submit. To the files which I am upload, that should be saved in a separate folders. For that I am going to create a folder mkdir uploads. If I run this, if I upload a file and if I press on upload, see the file uploaded successfully. Now if I go to uploads directory, see we are getting the file which we are uploaded. Like this we want to upload file using Express.js. Thank you.